Well, hello, good morning, everybody. It's another day, a fresh one. It's Friday, it's the last day of the month. So we're going to be careful today. We're going to make sure we keep our size down. And yeah, let's get some W's here. Let's get some W's. All right. How are we doing, everybody? Hey, Born Hunting, Jerry Trades in the house. Good morning, guys. Let's see here. So we had this 4-hour bullish fair value gap. That was... check here. Let's make sure that this is still valid. Yep, that's still valid. This one is gone. Still have this guy. I'm not going to pull it over my chart, but I'll keep it there. We've got this 1 hour above. All right, and on the 15-minute, we are just above one that we just recently made. We have one below and another one down at that bullish 4-hour. Angia, good morning. How are you? Check it out. Got the swag in. Rocking a full Market Butcher outfit right now. Thank you. It's actually nice and warm too, so it's good. So we're popping up here, guys. Let's get rid of our deviations off this overnight VWAP. We got about 7 minutes here to the bell. Where's our midnight open price? We just tagged midnight open price not long ago, so that's not really a trade. So we've been above the VWAP quite a bit here most of the night. Finally broke down below, and then now we're back up above again. So I kind of feel like we'll have to see how the first candle starts, but I kind of feel like we're going to be going to 28,700 first thing, towards that way anyways. We got orders up at 650, which is a high, the pre-market high. And we got 106 contracts up at 700. Did we have any news this morning? University sentiment final, that's coming up. So we do have a little bit of news. 10 a.m. So hopefully what we're going to do here is we're just going to continue with this bullish move. You know, we've been pretty bullish now since basically yesterday's pre-market. Just gobbling some orders there at the 560s. So ideally we kind of get a little bit of a manipulation lower, and then we just bounce from there. But it looks like they're trying to go to the 600s like right away here. Oh, geez, guys. I'm just taking a look at the point of control here, and we have not tapped into this point of control at all yet today, since yesterday's price action. So this one is a pretty valid target, actually. We got 28,084. Hey, Michael. Good evening or morning. Good morning, or it might be evening for you, actually. So we got a bit of a mixed bag here, hey guys, because we're in a bullish trend. We've been bullish. We mostly stayed above the VWAP all night. We're kind of back above it again. So it'd be nice if we just sort of like continue this momentum and like break out a little bit higher. But that being said, we also have, this the point of control, which we haven't touched yet, below. So there's a couple directions we could be taking this morning. Oh, it's afternoon. Nice. So kind of a mixed bag here. It might be one of those mornings where it's better to be patient. Lately, I've taken a couple really nice trades, like right after the first candle or within the first candle of the market. So I'll have to see what price does here, but because this candle is going to close, we're probably going to leave this 5-minute bullish fair value gap. But we also have this one down here at 440. So at what point are we going to bounce? No super clear draws on liquidity at the moment because we have multiple options here. I do have this 4-hour gap here. I just have it set up a little bit out of the way because it's a little too big. So we've been stuck in this 4-hour bearish fair value gap for the whole overnight session, pretty much, right? Like we started below it, we popped into it, and then we've been just stuck into it. So pretty big pop here. How long do we got here till the bell? We got about 1 minute. 1 minute to the bell. Good afternoon to you. Pretty bullish here out of the gate, which makes me, quite often we're like bullish right before we turn bearish, unfortunately. So we'll have to see how we got 10 seconds here till the market opens. I'm gonna get my VWAP ready to drop here. Kind of popping right up here right away. Yeah, we're being pretty bullish at the moment here. Getting a little bit of resistance here up at the 590s. Can give this candle a few minutes here to shake this out. Looks like we got about 9 people in YouTube and 6 people in X. When's our 4-hour candle end here? 4-hour candle is half an hour away. Nice little pop there. Just pushing all the way up here. 684. There's that 700 target, guys. Should have just got in long earlier there, but little concerned that we have this POC below, and it is Friday, the last Friday of the month. What are you guys looking at this morning? That's too bad. That 1 hour fair value gap is definitely the draw on liquidity at the moment. We still have this one here also to the top side. We got 28,800. Hey, Ryan Entourage. I know, right? Like, look at that opening candle. I'm being a little reluctant to take a trade here. It's Friday. It's the last day of the month. I wanted to wait for the first 15 minutes. And maybe the bullish move is like done already? I don't know. Not done though. You're 1.8K already? Wow, Angia, good for you. So you took some trades this morning, like pre-market or something? Well, looks like you're just trying to keep climbing here. Looking for a retracement before entering another long. Yeah. You took a long after you ended your stream? Oh, 15 micros. Nice, Angia. Nice. So you didn't really sleep last night or what? Yeah, it's like, it looks like it doesn't really want to give us a pullback at the moment. You never know. 700 here, going to be the support. Let's take a look at the NQ. 28,700 there. We just broke through it. 49 contracts here at 28,685. Whoa, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
All right. Had some more issues again this morning with my damn camera not working.
Oh, geez, really?
Yeah, I got it fixed though.
Okay, nice. What a pop here. First candle.
I know, right?
570 to 670. 680. You trading ES again this morning?
Yes, ma'am. Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, I am. ES pushed all the way up to that standard 2 deviation band. Rejected off it. Looks like it's coming down a little bit now toward the first. Working point of control carryover from Asia is at 7,497. So yeah, that's right at VWAP. So. So I'm just gonna take my time here.
Yeah, me
a couple
too.
of small trades and see what I can do. I got that new TPT account.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. As of right now, I'm up in at let me look. 3,186.50.
Wow, nice.
So that was over 2 days of trading, and then today I made last night I made $23.50.
So is it a new plan, or is it just like you got new account?
I got a new account.
Yeah.
I after that debacle with TPT last week, or this early this week, when I looked at what my accounts were, I had a minor heart stroke for the amount of money that I was down.
Yeah, no doubt. We might go short 708, holding last contract. Very good, Angia. Jeez, look at this thing going all the way back down here.
So if you put on regular trading hours, carryover point of control for ES now is at the 410 level. And that's from the previous session. Value area high is sitting at 7,457. We still have a little gap to fill. From yesterday's close.
What a nasty bearish candle here, guys. Holy
yeah, this
crap.
isn't looking great. Angie is going to be happy in a bearish market today, I think.
Yeah.
I am in an ES short, 74.95.50. Got my stop loss at the value area high at 74.92, so 3 points on it. I got locked in.
Very nice.
And we just filled the gap from yesterday's close. Locked in another 2 points. All right, made 25 bucks on that. Came back up and stopped me out with my stop loss in profit.
Nice. Yeah. So I still don't have any water out here at the farm. Had a plumber come by yesterday. They couldn't get it fixed either. I've been trying to prime the pump. So it's pretty unfortunate, but
you don't have water. You need water to prime your
well, I
pump.
have water like in a barrel.
Yeah.
But yeah.
I just think it's funny. It's like, oh, I gotta prime my pump. How do you prime it? With water. Where do you get the water from? You gotta go down a mile down the road. Looks like Michael Krug, small steps on a 100K account. I'm up 1712. Mad stuff traded up and then down. Doing base hits of 75 points. That is 1,700 per trade, or I'm sorry, you're up 1,700 as a base hit. You only got to do what, 6 of those? 7.5. Got it. All right. I was gonna say 75 points is that's more like a double, maybe a triple. If you're trading oil, that's a grand slam home run.
What a push down. Holy smokes.
Yeah, this is
all the way back down to what we did from pre-market there. Midnight open just got re-engaged there. We were sitting on the midnight open price below the VWAP, broke out to the upside, pulled all the way back down here. So, whew. Pretty wild.
ES is bouncing up. ES is bouncing up off that -2 standard deviation. It's coming back up towards a -1. I want to see how it reacts with that before I take another anything, long or short. Still thinking it's going to be a short day. But it is Friday.
Nice. Friday, last day of the month.
Last day of the month. Options expirations.
Looks like we got contracts down at 28,400.
Ooh, NQ is just on the book map here. It's looking like it's having a little seizure.
Yeah,
petite mall
wild.
Seizure, not a grand mal, but either way, seizure nonetheless. Tape on ES is looking pretty damn bearish. We got orders sitting at 7,475. 7,450. opening range is set, so
yeah. Was it set? We still have oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, a minute ago.
Hey, good morning, Night Build Audio. Kind of holding just above the value area high here, 359.
It's like ES might be getting another little push down here.
Yeah. Doing only MES, needed something less crazy, picked and let it run this morning for 50 bucks. So in a good mood. Very nice, buddy. I like it. We got this 4-hour bullish fair value gap below here. Wondering if that's going to be our target here.
Where's the bullish fair value, the middle of the bullish fair value gap on that?
28,275 area.
28,275.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got 160, 172 orders at the 300 level. So that may be a buy wall right there.
Mm-hmm.
$28,300 down to NQ might be where I take a long. It's only what, 40 points below current price. ES has got 150 orders sitting at 7,450.
Pretty volatile next candle here. Looks like the buyers are trying to step in a bit.
Yeah, it's looking like a little bit of a fight.
Hey, no worries, Night Build.
We got a little bit of support at 74.72 here on ES. Looks like buyers are trying to step in right now. How'd the stream go last night?
That was pretty good. Gained some more subscribers, so we're about 30 away from the 2,000 mark now, which is pretty awesome.
Oh yeah, was telling the pre-market stream this morning. I got another Discord message from you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, when did you start selling signals, man?
You know, all the time. It's just the usual thing.
And I honestly didn't think you were into that, so I sent you a picture of my hairy butthole.
Oh, awesome. Love that.
Yeah, another bot scam thing showed
Yeah.
up. It's market.butcher. I didn't really send them a picture. But now that I say that, I may start doing that.
Market.butcher. I like it.
Market.butcher. Night Build Audio. Did I miss SME news this morning, or just
No,
profit taking and all that?
It's end of the
Just
month,
profit taking
probably.
and options expiration date.
We do have University Michigan Sentiment Final coming up.
Oh, that's right. That's at 10 o'clock today. So yeah, that's some that news is importante.
Having the sweater and a t-shirt on. I'm rocking the swag that from the website. But it was like having the sweater and a t-shirt on. It's a little too toasty this morning.
Yeah, I would think so.
But it's pretty cold. Pretty cool here anyways.
Skeletor's talking about YM's dumping. Managed to drop down and fill the gap between yesterday's close. It's still pushing down.
Tapped into those orders at the 300s there. Jeez, how low is this thing gonna go here?
Who knows?
No, this one candle here, this 5-minute candle is pretty scary. The way it's been moving around here, we went all the way to 400, down to 300. Now we're kind of like bouncing up a bit. So need this to shake out a little bit more here. LOL, yeah. Oh, now we showing signals. I'll pass on those kinds of signals.
Yeah. I get at least a couple of messages every week. Somebody trying to get me to open an account with them or subscribe to their Telegram signals. And
give them your info.
Every once in a while, I'll if I find that they're an actual real person and not just an AI bot, I'll mess with them a little bit. If I've got a spare couple of minutes.
Just mess with them a bit.
Just a little bit. Enough to make me giggle.
Joanne, good morning. How's Joanne doing today?
Got Joanne in here now?
Yeah.
Haven't seen her in the pre-market lately. What's she been doing?
Like the new background, Dave. The new Fireplace, you mean?
Out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make.
Well, are we going to just chop around in this area now for a bit? We'll have to see. We got to push. We're pushing up here, but the volume isn't super high on this candle compared to the last couple.
Oil's acting a little bit choppy right now too. It was up, it came down, went back up, it's coming down again. Current price on oil is about $85.35. We want to fill the gap between yesterday's close. We got to get it down to $83.90. I don't know what the chances of that happening are today. But I do know that if oil gets down to $81, I am going into a cash account buying a single micro long on the next contract.
Joanne, where are you on vacation? That sounds pretty awesome. Yesterday, my trading bot made 2,300. That's nice, but the problem is that it was part of the Lucid challenge. So it's not money in your pocket money. Did we get I thought there was some earnings report yesterday. Was it like Apple?
I think Amazon was yesterday.
Amazon?
There was Amazon, and I know there was at least one other big one.
Yes. So we got University's Michigan sentiment coming up here in not too long.
Now I have to make $20 a day for the rest of the challenge. What bot are you using, Joanne?
Back up to the 400, back down to the 350. Holy crap. In that one little candle, it was like a 50-point swing in like 2 seconds. Watching the book map here, just came all the way below 350. Almost tapped exactly 400. Back down to 350. Back up to 380. And then now we're back all the way down to 330. Like, holy crap. Joanne didn't hear your question. Nick?
Oh, I asked what trading bot you were. What trading bot you're using.
Angia, thanks for your swing short call. 240M MNQ downtrend channel. We do have the point of control below. Previous day's point of control, which is an 80% setup there. You want to talk about what strategy or what platform for the bot? Nick?
Yes.
Both platform and
Sure.
strategy. Yeah, Jerry, it's pretty bearish. Did we ever try copying someone's trading in your younger trading years?
Not even once.
Not exactly. Trading style, yes. Trading style, like somebody who got sued for bad practices trading. The PMI? Did we just get that PMI? Yeah, I think so. We got Michigan sentiment. In line? Yeah, pretty much in line. One-year inflation a little bit red. I don't know what you'd think. If it's a lower inflation, it's probably good, right? Yeah, trading style, because I'm basically copying someone's trading approach. I didn't come up with it myself. Yeah, that's fine. I mean, people have been doing this forever, so if you can find something that works for you, there's nothing wrong with that. But I've never like paid for signals or got that kind of trading, following trading kind of stuff. So
on the boulevard, some things catch up eventually. Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect
pushing down real strong here. It's a 4-hour fair value gap.
Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone.
Pretty strong close on that last candle. Looks like well, was that a 4-hour candle that just closed there? Not quite. Oh, no, it's a brand new candle, so never mind. Never mind.
I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow, and every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson
RTY leading the markets down. All right.
Wow. So you're on NQ, right?
Yes. What are you seeing?
So looking at 15-minute chart on NQ, this 15-minute candle has closed the gap between yesterday's close, and it is actually heading towards the Wednesday close. at 27,338. And there are actually orders down there right now.
Oh, wow.
CBD on NQ right now is negative 8,700. We're getting some buy volume candles or buy volume balls in here.
Yeah, I see 200 contracts at 27,500.
There's also 500 contracts, and about a third of them are single source at 28,300. So algo, maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line.
Small caps are dumping. Hey, Jonathan Stonks in the house. Thank you for the super chat. Let's butcher this market. Yeah. Thank you for that. How you doing? Haven't seen you for a couple days.
Yeah, if you're gonna butcher this market, I want the eye of round, please.
Yeah. It's like this is like a big butcher knife just slicing straight down right now. Damn, we're heading all the way to that previous day's point of control, that 80% setup playing out perfectly here.
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow.
Holy shit, man.
Holy caca, Batman. Drew, hey, good morning. How are you?
The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight.
Think NQ is going to hit 28,000?
Quite possibly here, hey?
Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home.
Looks like it's trying to go back to trying to tag that POC here, 28,083.
Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow, and every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide.
A few good trades already in New York session, taking a break, still early in the session. Nice, Skeletor. Good for you, bro. It's awesome.
still remembers the game.
All right, I'm taking a 1 ES short here. I'm going to take profit at the 74.20.
Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid.
74.20, nice.
Head high, leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
I got my my blue sky eval is getting pretty close to being passed here. I got so $312 away from passing, basically.
All right. Oh, shit, that'll be a couple of days.
Yeah, I'm not really, probably shouldn't really risk much more on this guy. I think I'm up about $300 on that account from last night.
You're saying you took profits too early?
Yeah, isn't that usually the case? But don't be upset about taking profits, you know?
I do it every day.
Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line.
All right, my short's looking pretty good here. I have added a couple micros to it, locked in $51.25.
Speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow. Head high.
And I just added to it again on this pullback.
The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
So I'm in total 8 micros.
Oh, nice. That's sounding like a potentially nice winner here for you.
I'm hoping.
Here's to hoping.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
And added another 2. So 10 micros total on an ES short.
But every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making.
And this is what I was looking for. Locking in 200.
You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone.
So watching the point of control here, where we tapped the previous day's point of control. This candle goes green. Could be a potential buy opportunity coming if this candle closes green. So
all right, I took my 250 on that. Still not convinced of buying anything here, so.
Mick Riker says, I'm expecting this to go to 27,800 on the downside today. Sometimes I'm a little exuberant on my targets. I'm kind of scared to trade funded accounts today, guys. To be honest.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
And you know how I don't really like shorts. Like, it's not that I don't like shorts. It's just for whatever reason, whenever I try to go short, we end up getting these freaking super green candles that like, and then it's like freaks me out because, you know, as we all know, the market in general usually goes up, right?
Yeah.
Like, in general, obviously we have bearish trends and long-term, short-term, whatever, right? But so like when that thought is like always in the back of my mind, it's, you know, it's kind of like, yeah. And a few times in the past where I've been like trying to short it, like I'll wait for a bounce and then I'll short it and then it just keeps going. You know what I mean? It just keeps going up. So I'm just a little bit better at, like, I'm a little more confident in the longs is I guess what I need to think, right?
Yeah.
Because I do make money short. It's not like I don't, but it's just, I guess I just feel a little more comfortable in the longs.
Just a little bit. It's a little bit harder to make money in shorts when the market has been in an uptrend for 22 months.
Yeah, that's true.
No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high, leave the past where it
What a push up here though. Hey, jeez, look at that.
keeps moving.
A little bit of a push up on ES right now. I did just put in a 5 micro short. See how this works out. I'm only risking $300.
It can't be, you can't like make this stuff up though here. NQ broke down all the way, you know, from the highs or from the opening candle there, push up all the way, almost exactly touched previous day's point of control and then bounced off of it. Now, like, that doesn't mean we're fully going to be bullish here. Like, I think Nick's got it, obviously, probably picking the right direction on his trade right now. But it's just like, you can't really make that stuff up that like price literally got almost exactly to the tick of the previous day's point of control. Angia banked hard. I love bear market. We know, Angia, we know. Like, how many showers did you take this morning already? Mick Riker says it's a sell if it goes green. Okay. I read that in my mind before I said it, and I thought you said if I sell it goes green, and I'm like, yeah, me too.
All right, we're pushing up. On NQ through the first deviation band. Same thing on ES. We pushed up through that first standard one. So now it's time to be patient.
Yeah. Getting back up into that 4-hour bullish fair value gap. How are we looking on these higher time frame candles here? 4 hours trying to put a wick in here.
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid.
You win anything right now, or are you just sitting here watching?
Yeah, I'm flat. I was thinking about trying to long here, but I'm trying to hold back here because this could just be the little bounce before we get more of a move down. The only thing that's really making me feel like it's going to be long here is we literally tap the PLC and just bounce straight off it. What is ES? ES did a similar thing, although it broke through the PLC.
Yep.
And then it found support on, I guess that would have been Wednesday's VWAP. Yeah, Wednesday's VWAP. Tapped Wednesday's VWAP to the T. And then now we just rejected off of Thursday's VWAP. So it looks like we're stuck between the battle of the VWAPs right now.
Yep. That's I did just take a 2 micro short on ES though at 74.4750.
And that's why I'm trying to be patient here, because again, feeling that bullish bias is just not the right thing to be doing right now, unless we're get above the above the VWAP basically.
Yeah.
Even though there's so much room to the VWAP, but that doesn't mean that it's gonna get there, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't mean that it's not either.
Yeah, true.
We have managed to pull up. I'm in a little bit of drawdown on this trade here. We have managed to pull up above the standard 1 deviation, or the -1 deviation on ES.
So on an off market note, I'm going to play 4 hours of pickleball today. And I'm meeting some friends for the second session, which is pretty cool.
After 2 hours, that just sounds like no fun at all.
It's funny because I get to the end of the 2 hours and I'm like, I want more.
All right.
But by the end of the 4 hours, man, my legs are pretty toast. For sure.
I can imagine.
Especially hips and stuff. They're just kind of getting pretty sore from lunging and running around like a maniac for 4 hours.
You're not a spring chicken anymore, Dave.
Dave, you're the pickleball champion of Canada. Oh, I wish, man. I'm gonna start a pickleball channel here. Canadian pickleball champion of Canada.
That would be fun.
Yeah. Actually, it would be a pretty fun channel to do, but just like start making videos every time I go to pickleball.
Call yourself the pickleball butcher.
Yeah, like get a pickleball paddle that looks like a butcher knife.
That. Wow. Yeah, that would be great.
Or literally like make videos where I'm playing with a butcher knife as the paddle.
I don't know, running around with with a meat cleaver doesn't sound like a
we'd have to
great idea.
Dull the blade on it, but it'd be
it's
pretty
still
funny.
a big piece of metal, so you know.
True. You accidentally hit your partner with it. Oh. Or yourself on a follow through. Yeah,
no thank you.
Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find.
I'm so torn right now. I wanna attempt a long here on my blue sky eval to see if I can't get it a little bit closer to passing, but it's just so risky. I'm not really convinced that the Bulls are going to be taking back control here yet, if they are even going to today. What do you think, Angie? Are you going to go for a shower here pretty soon? Should I be jumping in short or what? Because this could be a pretty key area for to break down a bit too. The Bulls are definitely making a sincere attempt here at buying it up. That's for sure.
Making an attempt. I don't. I don't want to jump into this right now. Still being below VWAP, and I mean, Bookmap is showing a lot more orders above than below.
Bookmap
the tape is really dark. The tape is really mixed right now. I'm
4 seconds here.
I'm gonna start trading on that 5-second chart now.
And initial balance just set there. Half-hour candle right now. And we did invert this bearish fair value gap. So might get a retracement into this fair value gap before we end up going higher here.
But every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score. Wait for confirmation.
I think ES is about to hit 74.60. I got 3 micros in long right now.
Pretty strong, that's for sure.
There's 60.
Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong.
Every once in a while, I can call them.
Pretty often. Pretty often every once in a while.
Every now and again.
Oh, getting a bit of a pullback here.
Same on ES.
We tapped into a bearish 15-minute bearish fair value gap there. Got a bit of a reaction out of there. Now, I don't know. Again, we don't really, at this point with where the market is right now, it's like, it's kind of a flip of a coin. Either we're going to head back down to the lows or we're going to continue back to the VWAP here. Sort of in the middle of two important levels here.
Yeah, it's time for me to take a break. I'm starting to get that want to be in the trade feeling.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to, if you see in the video here, I got my hands locked and above away from the mouse and keyboard.
All right. You know what? You should just do this. Frame your pretty face.
Yeah, just be like, oh, we're not trading.
Good morning, Mr. Stewart.
Oh, my dad's in the chat. I just switched the song, so I didn't see it. Hey, Dad. Good morning. How are you doing? Love you. Look at that. We got 28 people watching this morning. 8 people on X, so about 20 in YouTube. Very nice. Yeah, so we're set up I'm set up pretty good here in the channel to be hitting 2,000 subscribers on Sunday, which is going to be a huge, might have to give an extra account away actually. Just for that. You heard it here, guys. Don't tell anybody. Maybe we'll do like a what I'll do is I won't say anything, and then as soon as we hit 2,000, we'll just do a quick little form in the chat and try to give it to like one of the really consistent people, like with a really short opportunity to enter. Like give them like 1 minute.
You got 1 minute to enter, and you don't even say it. Just put the comments up on the screen.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
Do
so
that.
People who are paying attention, just like type it on the screen and just be like 2,000. Yeah, you know what? Maybe I should get ChatGPT to make like an image that I can just put up. We hit 2,000. Here's your opportunity, and then post it in the Discord or something. You got to quickly go in there and fill it out, or I don't know. I'll have to think about that. But yeah, because we're at 1973, so we got 27 subscribers on Sunday.
Wow.
And we'll hit
you'll have that probably on Sunday night.
Yeah, I hope so. I actually got to check out Lucid. Maybe I'm due to submit to ask for some more accounts.
All right, I'll be back. I'm taking a break. This is getting stupid.
Sounds good. Yeah. Coupon request. Oh, I got 4 days and I can request more coupons. So, and I do have an extra account. So, you guys heard it here. Keep it secret though. Keep it tight. Don't give that info away. If we decide to give away a 25K, an extra one, we're going to do it real short notice. We're going to only do a really quick entry. And I'm not going to be Mr. Nice Guy on that one. We're going to either you get in or you don't, and that's it. Mum's the word. Yeah. So be aware though, it's probably going to be pretty late. So you might have to stick around towards the end of the session here, guys, like on Sunday. I kind of wish I knew how to like set it up like they do on PFM, where they have like, you know, they put it in the chat and then into like the channel, and then you got to like say the secret word and then you get added in or whatever. I mean, I don't want to do that for all of it, because part of the reason I'm submitting, or I'm trying to collect emails, is so that I can do an email campaign for giveaways also, right? So although I haven't really done that yet, I kind of forgot about that on that last 50K. I did that like sort of impromptu, but I want to like put together a big long email list and just be like, hey guys, you know, sign up for this, like join the Instagram, join the, you know, the X, and you'll be entered in the giveaway kind of idea. So you are going to be American on that day? Not so nice because Canadians are nice. you know, like how many times have I been like putting together a form, and then people in the chat are like, oh, I missed a form, can you put my name in there? And I'm like, okay, and I'm like adding like 5 more people into the giveaway. It's like, this one we're not doing none of that. If it's the bonus one, you get your chance to get in. If you're paying attention, you're gonna get in, and you know. $2.7K, happy as a lark. I don't blame you. Sunday. Well, you know, every Sunday, Joanne, we're doing the 25K Lucid Flex account no matter what. But I was just saying, if we hit 2,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do just a quick form, and it's gonna be a really short form. Like, we're not gonna leave it up for too long, and we're just gonna try to give it away really fast. So people are going to have to be paying attention for that one. So, you know, if you haven't filled out the form on Discord for the Sunday giveaway yet, you should definitely do that and come hang out on Sunday. But then, like I said, if we hit 2,000 subscribers, which I feel like we probably are, I'm going to do sort of a 2,000 subscriber impromptu extra account giveaway. And, you know, I don't mind telling you guys, because you guys are all the usuals. You're here like every day. You know, so I appreciate you guys so much. I'm giving you guys the heads up, but I'm not going to be saying anything about it in the stream. Like, it's going to be like, once we hit 2,000, I'm just going to do it quickly and we'll do it. So no, because I want to hit it when we hit 2,000 subscribers, right? It's kind of like a celebration giveaway. So if we don't hit 2,000, then maybe not going to be able to do it. Maybe it'll end up being on Monday. You never know. If we get to 1,999 and then Monday we get 1 more subscriber, then we'll probably do it Monday.
Crack it in cute, don't gone dark. I tagged the closet, left a mark. First light on the second screen. Peanut blinking, red and green.
Yeah, especially lately when I'm adding in these extra streams here and there, like just helping climb the account. I mean, I've been, you know, I gotta say, I've been working pretty hard on trying to grow this channel. Putting in the time, you know. And I know, like, you guys see me in the stream and we're having a good time, fun time, but man, at the end of the streams, like, I'm exhausted, man. It takes a lot of effort to, like, keep up to the chat and be active. And I mean, it's fun. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it's not fun, but it's like I'll get to the end of the night, and when I hit that end stream, I'm just like, ugh. You know. Thanks, Skeletor. And you guys, I mean, you guys make me feel really good about it too. Like, you guys always saying such nice things. You know, you guys are supporting the stream, being here all the time. So definitely makes it easier to do it because of you guys. So I appreciate you guys 110%. Sincerely, from the bottom of my heart. But yeah, it takes a lot of energy, that's for sure. So yeah, nothing in life is free, for sure, except for watching Dave on YouTube. I mean, I guess it isn't free either. You got to still pay for electricity to run your computer, right? So you're 100% correct. Even YouTube costs you something. It takes a lot of brain power to make a good green day. Good Friday. Have a great weekend. All right, Lafta. You too. Are you wrapping it up there, Lafta? Poor Dave? Why poor Dave? Definitely you don't need any sympathy. 5K for the week. Nice, Lafta. Wow, you've been killing it, bro. I'm feeling pretty decent about the week, and I'm up like 1,400. That news of migrants in Spain is scary. What's that news of migrants in Spain? I'm gonna ask ChatGPT real quick. Here's the biggest migrant-related developments in Spain as of July 31st. Spain says huge surge across border into enclave has reversed. Half of migrants go back? Whoa. Spain's PM blames trafficking gangs as 60,000 cross into Ceuta from Morocco with 34 deaths.
Wow.
Oh, jeez. What to know about the Spanish enclave of Ceuta as migrant arrivals from Morocco spike? The dominant story is a large-scale migrant crossing into, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Ceuta, Ceuta.
Yeah.
Autonomous city on the North African coast bordering Morocco. Tens of thousands of people attempted to enter over the past 2 days, with estimated varies widely as authorities continue to verify the numbers. Many crossings by swimming around coastal barriers or entering through border crossings after crowds overwhelmed security. The incident has become one of the largest migration events Spain has ever experienced in recent years. Deaths during the crossing. The humanitarian toll has been severe. Multiple news organizations report at least 18 deaths, with some later reports indicating the toll may be higher as recovery efforts continue.
Wow.
That's wild.
That's, yeah.
Joanne likes to tease me. Yeah, I know you do, Joanne. I miss it. You haven't been teasing me for a while here. You've been a busy girl. Spain's being invaded, Lafta says. Yeah, sounds like it. Joanne says, there's a French saying that goes, those who love well, discipline well. I don't know if it makes sense in English.
It does if you think about it.
Mm-hmm.
But there's a lot of English speakers that can't really think well. So just saying.
I really like this song. This is Build Audio's newest song called NQ Trickery. It's pretty chill. Didn't Spain just advertise that it's now easier to migrate there recently? Good question.
Some things catch up eventually.
Oh, so what caused the surge is what AI is saying here. Several factors are being discussed by officials and analysts. Human trafficking networks allegedly spreading misinformation suggesting it would be easier to remain in Spain after a recent court ruling, economic pressures and high youth unemployment in Morocco, and long-standing migration pressure affecting EU's external border. So I wonder if that has something to do with it. You must be talking about that court case also there. So this comes after Spain introduced a major immigration regularization it's like program earlier this year, allowing many undocumented migrants already living in Spain to apply for legal status. That policy is separate from the current border surge, but it has become part of the border political debate over immigration. So that's kind of, I think, what Jerry was talking about there. Or is it only for Americans? Nice push up here all the way to the VWAP now. Damn.
Yeah, I'm in an ES long right now from 7470. 6 micros. Locked in $45. Let the cool wind speak, found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving. We did just get up above that deviation band here, so
yeah. Trying to pull back a little bit here, but they're like sitting right on the view up here on the NQ.
Some things catch up eventually.
Oh, it looks like Trump convenes cabinet meeting at Camp David. Just popped up on Financial Juice. He's not talking or anything yet, just popped up. So probably in the not too distant future, though. Be aware, everybody.
Get ready to flatten a position. If you're in anything, put your stop loss on profit, or at least a break even.
I'm gonna hit play on that just so if he does talk. Oh, it's 8 minutes until it starts, but then again, it might be longer than that till he talks. So
Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone.
Getting a bit of an indecision candle here. Not really going lower, not really going higher on this NQ. I was at Camp David a few months ago. My brother works there. I can't tell you what he did though. Okay.
It's not that he's not allowed to. He just doesn't know. They don't talk about it at family dinners.
It's off limits.
I don't want to talk about my job.
Top secret.
Let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving.
Still sitting right on the VWAP here. Bit of a the candle's not too volatile, but they're definitely battling it out right here because the price is just not going anywhere.
Same thing's happening on ES right now. I locked in 125 just in case this does start to pull back.
Mm-hmm.
Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
I mean, I feel like it wants to try to pop here, but it's trying anyways.
It's making an effort.
We do have orders above 350, 360, and then all the way up to 400. But you know how NQ does. Might just be like, nope, we're not going to those guys for now. Have a nice day, you guys. Let's go play golf. Oh, right, Joanne. Have fun with that.
Who's playing golf?
Joanne.
I would, but I don't want to embarrass myself.
Not much of a golfer or what?
God, no. That's an understatement. Not much of a golfer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, no.
You passed a 50K eval, but lost my 2 funded. Oh, sorry, bro.
And there's none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning whether fast or slow, and every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age. You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game. Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent.
1 step forward, 2 steps back.
That is how it goes sometimes.
Mm-hmm.
Catches up. Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up.
All right, well, I just took another long scalp there. $10 away from passing that eval now. Damn it. On that blue sky eval, 52,990. Guess we got to do 1 micro here.
People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score.
Now I'm scared though. It's gonna be like I'm gonna get on the wrong side with one micro, and then it's gonna be back down to like 100 away from passing.
Dope.
Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from
Come on, tap it, tap it, tap it. Go. All right, we got it. 53,000.
Very good.
First Blue Sky funded account now. So let's lock this account out so I don't make any mistakes on that. End of day, lock account. Yes, lock it out. Beautiful.
Nice work, Dave.
53,002.50. I like
I gotta keep trading my new TPT eval because consistency.
Oh yeah. Oh, like you put too much profit in there already?
Yep.
Damn.
You have to trade them for 5 days to pass them, and you have to have a 50% consistency.
Mm-hmm.
My consistency is at 60. I was at 68% this morning, or 67%, something like that.
It's a 50K account, Blackout News. Mostly, I found that the value for the drawdown and the profit targets, everything seemed to be the best on the 50Ks. I would like to eventually move into the 150Ks. That would be sort of the future. But for now, yeah. So these Blue Sky, I wonder, do I need to pay an activation fee? That's the question.
I don't think you do on Blue Sky.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground.
Being patient is hard.
Yeah. Launch 50K eval. View dashboard. Oh, it just went. I just made a noise.
Now, do those automatically switch over to a funded account, or is it an end of day?
I don't know, but it said so the notification. So one thing I noticed, Nick, is you know how that same sound on Tradeify is like when you lose the account, that noise. Yep. It's also when you get like a news indicate, like some sort of like notification.
Okay.
So if you ever hear that, like check your notifications, because I did just get a notification right there, and it says account switched to liquidate only mode due to auto liquidate profile.
Yeah,
Standard,
that means
cash.
that you passed. Yeah, that means that you passed the account, and they're switching it over from an eval to a funded account. So congratulations, Dave.
Nice, thank you.
You stacked another one in your basket.
Yeah, that's awesome.
catches up.
Getting a little bit of volatility here in NQ.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard.
Yeah, it's still struggling to get over that VWAP there.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound.
Yeah, there is an activation fee.
Every choice leaves footprints.
99 bucks.
No, that's not bad. I've seen worse.
This is that account that I won on from what's it called?
Trader's Post.
Yes. Thanks, Night Build Audio. Okay, Trump just landed off of the plane or helicopter or something, so he'll be talking here probably in a little bit anyways. He's getting a ride in the golf cart here. I wonder, like, psychologically, any, you know, it doesn't matter Trump, anybody, but whatever, any president, like, you gotta, like, be worried, like, about some sort of assassin, you know? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I wonder how often that goes through, like, a president's mind. You know what I mean? Like, it's a bit of a psychological, I mean, they have a ton of protection, but you just never know, right?
I mean, yeah, you never know.
Yeah, you never know. So
you can always hope, but you never know. All right, I just put in my NQ long.
Kind of just getting over the VWAP here.
Some things catch up eventually.
Locking in 25 bucks.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need.
Well, it looks like I got in at exactly the wrong time there.
Yeah, I just made 25 bucks.
And I'm down 200 in this funded account here. Jesus. It was looking really promising.
For a long or a short?
A long, yeah.
On NQ?
Mm-hmm. We were just like, we were holding above the VWAP and then
got it.
Just went straight down, so.
Promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow drop.
It was like perfectly wrong timing. Like as soon as I entered, it just went straight down. Hey, Plum Trader, how you doing? Truth comes around, steady as the tide.
Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age. You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game.
Some sell volume balls on ES right now.
Windows down.
I think I'm gonna have to cut this guy here. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that there. I'm out of that. That's too bad.
In my head, peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around.
So Iranian UK forest ministers discuss regional developments and call
Every choice leads
IRNA.
prints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw his own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone.
What I'm seeing is price consolidating. We'll wait. No rush, guys. That's fair. That's fair, Skeletor.
Yeah, I'm not in a rush right now either. I'm just sitting here watching these
Truth comes around, steady as the
pretty Christmas decorations on my chart. All red and green.
Christmas colors.
every lesson written with
Red candle, green candle, red candle, green candle.
change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game. Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
This is pretty annoying sound from the financial juice there. It's got like program will resume shortly. It's like playing some weird music. I'm gonna shut this down. It's like don't doom doom. Oof, I was down almost 2K on my personal account. Made it back to down 400 and done for the day. Too much emotion for me. No bueno. Smart move, and then FN. Smart move. Got to be content with that kind of a recovery, especially, right? So you shouldn't feel too bad about it, but definitely good on you for realizing your, realizing your emotional feelings on that. So
that's just an all-around good decision.
Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind,
Very smart choice.
But the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes and there's none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age. You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game.
Been a pleasure trading with you guys. Going to call it in before I tilt-ish. Plus Trump speaking soon. Have a great weekend, everybody. Adios. All right.
Adios, amigo.
You have a great day. What really sucks is that I took profit on a short here in NQ and it continued dumping for a bit there. Shoot, man. I don't work today. I get to hang and trade with a dynamic duo this morning. Dave and Nick, thanks.
Hey, hey, hey. We're going to try real hard to make some good choices here today and not do anything stupid. Said try. Can't guarantee anything. Looking like ES is pushing back up now.
That's going to be annoying if I cut that trade as a loss and now we're bouncing right back up to where I cut it. Or where I entered anyways.
Well, I got 14 micros in this long right now.
Oh, nice. Wow.
With the add-ins. What's that?
You still trading the ES?
Yeah.
Nice.
So with my add-ins, my average price is at 7,470.
74.70.
I got my break even plus 2 in. Now I'm just waiting. See if this comes up where I want it to.
Wow. Hopped right to the VWAP there. We getting some news or something?
Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written with age.
Waiting for some news to come on here. Let's see, is it Trump live now?
Not sure.
Nope. Still says program will resume shortly.
I got nothing.
Nope.
All right,
Seller's pushing this thing back down here.
$200.
What a weird push that was, and now that was just like you stop out shorts, I guess. Like induce buyers and stop out shorts there, I guess. I don't know.
I have no idea.
This market, man, it's pretty wild. It's a wild beast right now. All the way to the VWAP and then straight back down. Like that was a freaking volatile jump. But I do notice that whenever we get those really, really fast jumps, if it isn't like a news thing, Like it often just does that, where it's almost like the sellers just like take their foot off the gas a little bit and just like let the price go, and then they just jump right back in and just slam it, you know. I wonder if they kind of like, the algos kind of like see a big order coming, so they just like get out of the way and let it like gobble up a whole bunch of orders above, and then just
maybe
then they just pound it back after, so they can get a better price.
Everybody likes getting a better price.
Yeah.
Price is about to come back up again. I could be wrong, but thinking ES is going to jump back up. Looking at 74.85 for a
look at that ES battle, hey, between the two VWAPs, overnight and the New York. It's like, oh, we got a crossover on the New York and the overnight.
Going up or down?
Down. Like this is that before when you had your midnight indicator. This bearish move, like we had the we popped up above the overnight VWAP on the opening 630 candle. It's like perfect example of your, when you get those overnight and the New York VWAP crossover for that short. YM didn't do it, and did NQ do it too? Yeah, NQ did it also, actually. Interesting. But yeah, that push down on ES, I kind of wish I was watching ES at the open there. That was just a little bit easier to read, actually. It wasn't quite as volatile as like NQ, but I mean, typically that's the case. But
that's, yeah, I was going to say, that's generally speaking how that's going to go.
Definitely
ES
cleaner.
Tends to be a little bit cleaner movement.
Yeah, Orange Man meeting is coming up, so it's a little unpredictable at the moment.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home.
All right, I got a, as of now, I need about $750 to get my consistency to where I need it.
Nice.
I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes and there's none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning whether fast or slow, and every seed becomes the crop you grow.
Don't think that's going to happen today.
Steady as the tide, nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another.
Pretty risky volatility here.
Yeah.
You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game. Windows down, let the
cool when speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually. Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need.
See if Trump's getting on here yet or not. Still waiting. Still waiting.
Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leads for
Michael didn't touch his market since his scalp at the open.
Smart man, smart man. Keep it tight, keep it patience.
but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later,
Yep, I'm stepping away for a minute. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes and there's none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning whether fast or slow, and every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing
Like your stream, man? Thanks. Hey, you're welcome. Thank you for tuning in. Appreciate you being here. For sure.
written with age. You can lock the door, change your name, but yesterday still remembers the game. Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid.
I think I've had this song on for a little bit too long.
Wait for confirmation. Coffee's hot, screens ignite, blue and gold before first light. Yesterday is in the past. This one's built to finally last. Economic calendar, every level marked so far. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The patient trader stays strong.
Kind of starting to like shorts here. Let's see, where's my TPT? I think I might be too late here. I think I might be too late here. This is your anthem now? Yeah. pretty awesome. You're watching MES? Are we going to invert the inverted fair value gap? Oh. Let me take a look at this 4 hour. 2.5 hours on this candle. So we're still in this bullish fair value gap on the 4 hour.
Doesn't know me, trades. It only offers different ways. Every move I choose to make should improve, not just my take. One clean entry, one clean exit. Small enough to always fix it. Professional every day. Hey, that's the only winning play.
Oh, you had a 15-minute fair value gap, sorry, and it was MES. Let me take a look at this. Oh, I see. Yeah, we just closed below the inverted fair value gap. Yes, I see what you're saying. So that's an invalid fair value gap now. Three-minute ES testing the volume spike at low at 8 demand zone. All right. I got negative 14,000 CVD. That's pretty crazy bearish.
Late night, city lights, I ride in silence. Thinking about the ones who left me in violence. They smile in your face, then cut when you switch. But life got a balance. Karma's that bitch. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget every little lie, every broken bed. You can hide in the dark, but she'll find your steps. Karma on your neck, pay what's left. Yeah. I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke.
28 people watching right now.
Life turn the tables. Karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow up. You can run from the
26 people actually.
what goes round comes back. Remember this. Karma is a bitch. She don't forget every little lie, every broken bed. You can run from the truth, but the pain gon' hit. Karma on the right, yeah, she never quits. Yeah, yeah. Windows tinted, heart cold, no forgiveness. I just ride with the beat, mind my business, pray for peace. But revenge got the twist, don't chase karma, handle this. Yeah. Slow ride, no switch.
Order flow heat map, book map. Oh, what's the left screen? Yeah, it's book map. Sorry, I'm like reading the wrong comment. Hey, Jonathan, thank you. Another super chat from Jonathan, man. How you doing, man? Hopefully you're locking in some big greens today. Green, green, green. Thanks. Looking at it, 100 is up. Nice. Yeah, Dave, waiting for Green Delta to come back. 3-minute ES for a long. Patiently waiting, hoping to find a bottom there. Wayne? This current candle is pretty volatile.
I seen snakes turn friends into ghosts in a second. Fake love in the air, but the truth is a weapon. Rise slow, puff smoke, let the past just itch. Life turn the tables, karma's that bitch. She don't knock, she don't call, she just show up. All the dirt that you did, yeah, it blow.
Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave.
Oh, I'm pretty tired actually, guys. It's been a long week. Printing a new 5-minute bullish candle here.
I woke up at the Globex Open, thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought
The 3-minute bullish. Ooh.
and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20 levels. Market butcher said, "Don't chase." 5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the
face.
What is going on over here?
Well, NQ's starting to pop a little bit here. We got a bullish engulfing candle on the 3-minute.
We got ES is starting to come up a little bit as well.
This song's so funny.
I like it. All right, I got 11 micros in a long right now. Locked in $100.
Nice. Back above the 3-minute ES volume spike, low a day is long. In long. All right, Wayne's in a long also on ES.
Well, if Wayne's in long, I'm adding to my position here. I did, but it wasn't because of Wayne. So I got 16 micros in my long. Move my stop loss up. So I got 113.75 locked in here. We're up $500 so far.
Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes
Be back.
and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an honest trader, a funded account evaporator. I passed 3 evils in a row, then somehow got much worse later. I'm an honest trader, a chart annihilator. But tomorrow morning I'll probably do it all again. According, slowing down, trade like adults, unlike me. Quack, quack. Good night, everybody. Well, howdy there, everybody. My name's Dave. And today, I accidentally bought the top. Again. I woke up at the Globex Open, thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20.
This song is ridiculous.
Market butcher said, "Don't chase." 5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an honest trader.
All right, took $500 on that trade.
I see a breakout candle, then I panic buy a trailer. I'm an honest trader. My risk management is failure. I move my stop 6 times, then blame Jerome Powell later. Yo, Jim Blab says NQ dirty. Misk says maybe wait. Angia posts the whole race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast. Savage princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck comes from nowhere and wins the whole thing overnight. I'm an Amish trader, a funded account evaporator. I passed through.
Thanks, Wayne. I got out of that one just in time. This pullback on ES is hopefully going to give me another opportunity to take a long. We shall see.
Good night, everybody.
Oh, that's a bit of a slap back down here.
Yeah, I closed that out right at 74.70, 74.72.75.
Right before it turned around on you?
Yep.
Nice.
I figured I made enough profit on it, so I was just kind of like, I'm just gonna be happy with what I made on that.
Mustang threw me 20 levels. Market butcher said, don't chase. 5 seconds later,
Looks like it's gonna come back up again.
repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an Amish trader, a professional
This price action is pretty weird.
You think?
breakout candle. Then I panic buy a trailer. I'm an Amish trader.
I did pop in another long here. Just 5 micros, locking in $30. Well, $25.
Forgot my glasses in the bathroom there.
About traders.
That's not a good place for him.
Bad decisions. Actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ, like a grown man watching.
It's like, man, it's bright. I was like, oh yeah,
But somehow,
left my glasses.
can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says massive crash.
Still stuck between the view ups here, hey?
NQ just sitting there.
On
Confused
ES?
as hell.
We're gonna be playing level to level here. What's going on?
Everybody says
All right, I'm up $200 on this. I did add 5 micros to it. I got $43 locked in.
before the discipline fades. Just one more trade.
And I'm out.
Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy, back testing, forward testing, journaling, reading books, watching videos, meditating, drinking green tea, then lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog never moved a stop loss, never averaged down, never bought a boner candle. Those dogs got a higher win rate than half the internet, and they asleep. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says. Just one more trade. Before
Just one more trade.
Just one more trade. Before the
Famous last words.
Yeah.
Just one more trade. Famous last words. And
Literally.
somebody in chat says,
NQ dirty.
everybody agrees, nobody leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that?
Everybody knows NQ dirty.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex. You know exactly what's gonna happen. You still answer the phone. The Mustang trader.
Did you know that was like what it was gonna say on the song, or you just said that? Famous.
I'm
last
sorry,
word?
what was it?
Like, did you know that it was that says that in the song? It's like
No.
just one more trade, and then it says famous last words.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like you said that right before it said that. So
Yeah, I wrote this song.
Oil slippery, gold heavy,
I didn't.
gas explosive, in your account, emotional.
Then the duck race starts, and suddenly the smartest trader in the room believes his duck has edge. Now we're doing technical analysis on cartoon ducks. A grown man yelling, "Come on, Gary!" at a plastic duck. And
Oh,
honestly,
I'm actually gonna have to go. The plumber's here for that
Hey, go for it.
pump problem. So probably gonna wrap it up for myself here.
You know what? It's 11:47. Let's just wrap it up because
Okay. Yeah, sounds good to me.
there's really no reason to be screwing around with this right now.
Cool. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, everybody. We appreciate your coming and hanging out with us. And
Sweet.
I am done for the day.
Yes, sir. Thank you, everybody. Let's see here. Just do a quick little shout out live.
actually, it's mostly bad decisions. I was sitting there watching NQ like a grown man watching a squirrel. You know it ain't supposed to be interesting, but somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett. One guy says,
ATH tomorrow.
other guy says, massive crash incoming. Meanwhile, NQ just sitting there. Confused as hell. Just one more trade. That's what everybody says.
Sorry about that. All right. I
good?
just had to answer the phone there. He's like, okay. Top fans here.
Before the discipline fades.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Jonathan, thank you for the super chat. Skeletor, Night Build Audio, Jerry Trades, FN Trades, Michael, Core, Wayne, Wrong Trade Jim, Lafta, Zar, Joanne, Wayne, Ryan, Blackout News, my dad, Mick Riker, Jonathan, Josu, sorry, the Hawk Flies, Plum Trader, Born Hunting, and Drew69 Malibu, and thank you, Mr. Mustang.
Don't thank me. I'm just kind of hanging out and trying to keep myself sane in this market.
No doubt.
I feel like I'm failing miserably sometimes, but you know, I'm
You're doing great.
trying to keep my mental health
Yes, sir.
under control here.
All right, guys.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
See you later.
Okay, see you, Nick. Bye, everybody.